Hi, I'm Darth. And
Hello, I'm Astro.
what are we going to make today, Astro?
We are going to make a paper puppet.
Awesome! What do we need?
We need colored paper. Orange, black, red, brown, we also need scissors, glue, and pencil. And that's it. We are ready. Let's craft!
Okay. What do we do first, Astro?
Get the brown colored paper and fold it.
Like this?
Yep. Then put glue on it.
Done!
Now fold it. And fold it.
Like this?
Yep. Then put glue on it.
Done! The puppet is done!
What? No, not yet. That is just the mouth. Now, get the red colored paper and cut out the tongue.
Like this?
Yep. And glue it inside the mouth.
Yay! The puppet is done!
No! Not yet! Now, get the black colored paper and cut out the nose.
Like this?
Yep. And glue it on the face.
Wow! The puppet is finished!
The puppet is not yet finished. Now get the orange paper and cut 2 big ears.
Like this?
Yes, and glue it on the head.
Done! This is you!
He cannot see without eyes.
Oops.
Get 2 googly eyes and glue them on the face. Now lastly, get the pencil and draw some whiskers.
Is this done?
Yes, Darth! We did it! We made a paper puppet!
Hooray!